Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people watching this video right now are going to stay exactly where they are. Same job, same income, and same frustrations if we see 1 year from today. Here's the truth no one is telling you. 2026 is not rewarding effort, it is rewarding the right skills. So, now, the second number of skill that I want to talk about is sales and negotiation. And I'll bet some of you just thought, I'm not a salesperson, so this doesn't apply to me. That thought right there, that's exactly why you need this skill. Warren Buffett, as we can say one of the richest human who has ever walked this planet, keeps his Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People course certified frame on his wall. He has publicly called learning to sell and communicate with people the single most valuable investment he ever made. Famous Tony Robbins says, sales is nothing more than transferring your certainty into another person. And here is the reality. You are always selling. You are selling yourself in a job interview. You are selling your idea in a meeting. You are negotiating your salary, your rent, your freelance rate. You are persuading your team, your partner, your client, everyone. The person who can't sell can't grow. That's it. So, what this skill actually covers? First, understanding human psychology and what drives decision. Second, active listening. Most people are terrible at this. Third, handling objection without getting defensive. Fourth one is creating genuine value before asking for anything. And fifth one, negotiating outcomes where both sides feels they won. So, how you are going to learn about sales and negotiation? There are a lot of things that you can do. First one is read Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss, a former FBI hostage negotiator. This is the single best negotiation book alive. Read it twice. Second one is read Spin Selling by Neil Rackman, backed by actual research, not theory. Third one, watch Alex on YouTube. His no BS approach to sales and value creation is phenomenal, and it's all free. Fourth one is you can practice role play as a sales conversation. Get uncomfortable, sell something small. And the one thing I also want to say, stop thinking of sales as a manipulation. The best salesperson I know are the most helpful people I know. When you have something valuable and you communicate it with clarity and confidence, that's not manipulation, that's a service. Learn to sell and you will be never broke. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe because I make content exactly like this every week. Thank you.